Welcome to Senior Life Hub, where staying strong, mobile, and independent after 60 is our top priority. Today, we're revealing 10 powerful, science-backed foods that can help make your legs stronger, reduce pain and cramps, and support overall lower body health. Whether you're dealing with weakness, poor circulation, or just want to stay active, these foods can make a real difference. Let's dive in. 1. Salmon. Salmon is one of the best foods for your legs. Why? It's packed with high-quality protein, which is essential for maintaining and repairing muscle tissue, especially as we age. But the real superstar is its omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation in joints and muscles. That's crucial for seniors who often suffer from stiffness or pain in their knees and legs. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows omega-3s can increase muscle protein synthesis. When combined with resistance exercise, that means stronger legs, faster recovery, and reduced soreness. Try adding grilled or baked salmon to your meals 2 to 3 times a week. If fresh salmon isn't accessible, canned salmon is still a great source. Number 2. Spinach. Don't underestimate this leafy green. Spinach is loaded with magnesium and potassium, 2 minerals that help your muscles contract and relax properly. This helps prevent cramps and spasms, especially in the legs. It also contains natural dietary nitrates, which improve blood flow by dilating blood vessels. Better circulation means more oxygen reaches your leg muscles. That helps them work longer and recover faster. Add spinach to omelets, salads, or smoothies daily. For maximum absorption, pair it with a healthy fat like olive oil. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse. Each egg provides about 6 grams of complete protein. That's vital for building and maintaining muscle mass. They're also rich in vitamin B12, a nutrient essential for nerve function. Nerves control how your leg muscles contract, and a deficiency in B12 can lead to weakness, numbness, or even difficulty walking. For seniors, B12 absorption decreases with age, so it's vital to get enough through your diet. Enjoy a couple of eggs for breakfast several times a week. Hard-boiled, scrambled, or poached, all are excellent. Number 4. Bananas. Bananas are famous for their potassium content, and for good reason. Potassium is a key electrolyte that supports proper muscle function. Low potassium levels are linked to muscle weakness, fatigue, and cramping, especially in the calves. In addition, bananas provide quick-digesting carbohydrates, making them an excellent pre-activity snack for seniors. Combined with their fiber content, they also help regulate blood sugar. Eating a banana a day can help prevent nighttime cramps, and it supports fluid balance in your cells, which is crucial for hydration and leg performance. Number 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is rich in protein, calcium, and probiotics, all crucial for healthy legs. Protein supports muscle repair and growth. Calcium maintains bone density, which becomes especially important in the hips and legs as we age. It also contains probiotics, which support gut health. And recent research shows that gut health directly affects how well we absorb minerals like magnesium and calcium. For best results, choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Top it with berries and seeds for a powerful leg-boosting snack. Number 6. Beets. Beets are another nitrate-rich food. They improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to your leg muscles. Better circulation helps improve stamina, strength, and reduces fatigue. In a study conducted by Wake Forest University, older adults who consumed beet juice before walking showed significantly improved muscle performance and endurance. Beets also contain betalains, anti-inflammatory compounds that protect blood vessels and reduce swelling. You can roast beets, juice them, or slice them raw into salads. Pair with a sprinkle of feta cheese and olive oil for a nutritious side. Number 7. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbohydrates. These provide slow-releasing energy for your muscles. They also contain potassium and antioxidants like beta-carotene, which reduce inflammation and prevent oxidative muscle damage. Chronic inflammation can lead to stiffness, weakness, and pain in the lower limbs. Reducing it through food can make a big difference. Sweet potatoes also provide manganese, which plays a role in forming connective tissue and strengthening bones. Bake them whole, mash them, or air fry wedges for a satisfying, leg-friendly side. Number 8, pumpkin seeds. Just a small handful of pumpkin seeds delivers a solid dose of magnesium, zinc, and protein. Magnesium plays a key role in neuromuscular transmission, how your nerves tell your muscles to contract. Without enough, you're more likely to experience cramps, tremors, and muscle fatigue. Zinc helps with tissue repair and immune function. Protein supports muscle maintenance. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in tryptophan, which promotes better sleep. And good sleep is when your muscles recover and grow stronger. Snack on pumpkin seeds daily, or add them to oatmeal or yogurt. Number 9, lentils. Lentils are high in plant-based protein, iron, and folate. Iron helps form hemoglobin, the molecule that delivers oxygen to working muscles. And low iron levels can cause fatigue, especially in the legs. Folate plays a role in red blood cell production. It also supports proper circulation. Lentils are also loaded with fiber and complex carbs for sustained energy. Try making a lentil stew or add them to grain bowls with roasted vegetables. They're inexpensive, filling, and easy to digest. Number 10, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. They're all rich in polyphenols. These are antioxidants that fight inflammation and support healthy blood vessels. Healthy veins and arteries mean better circulation to the legs. That reduces fatigue, swelling, and heaviness. Berries also contain vitamin C. This helps produce collagen, a key protein for joint flexibility and connective tissue in the knees and hips. Add a cup of mixed berries to your breakfast, or enjoy them as a natural dessert. Strong, healthy legs are not just about exercise. What you eat plays a huge role too. By incorporating these 10 foods into your weekly meals, you'll support better muscle function, joint flexibility, and circulation. Remember, consistency is key. The earlier you start, the longer your legs will serve you well. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Senior Life Hub. We bring you practical health tips to keep you moving, thriving, and feeling your best. Stay strong, and see you in the next video.